Should you really drink milk before hitting the gym? Or is it just going to weigh you down? Your pre-workout drink can make or break your session. While most people reach for energy drinks or protein shakes, milk has been quietly gaining attention as a natural alternative. Let's start with the benefits. Milk provides a steady supply of both protein and carbohydrates, the two macronutrients your body craves before exercise. The whey protein supports muscle growth, while the carbs help maintain energy. In fact, a 2008 study found that people who drank milk before working out actually performed longer compared to those who only drank water. So, if you want more endurance, milk can be a solid option. Quick quiz for you. 1. Which nutrient in milk helps your muscles contract? Protein, calcium, or vitamin D? 2. True or false? Milk can also rehydrate your body just like a sports drink. Drop your answers in the comments. I'll reveal the right ones in just a second. Answer time. Calcium is the key mineral for muscle contraction, and yes, milk can rehydrate thanks to its high water content and electrolytes like potassium. Beyond hydration, milk also helps regulate mood, supports heart health, and even reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Plus, it's more filling than most sugary pre-workout drinks, which can help if you're balancing muscle gain with fat loss goals. So when should you drink it? The sweet spot is about 1 to 2 hours before your workout. Enough time for digestion without feeling heavy. Start small, maybe half a glass, and test your tolerance. For those who are lactose intolerant, alternatives like soy milk, almond milk, or even goat's milk can provide similar benefits without discomfort. And if you want an added boost, chocolate milk after training is actually one of the best recovery drinks out there. Yes, milk can absolutely be a good pre-workout drink, if your stomach tolerates it. It gives you protein for muscle, carbs for energy, and electrolytes for hydration. Just keep the portion moderate and time it right, and you'll notice the difference in endurance and recovery. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your quiz answers in the comments. And for more science-backed nutrition and workout guides, check out TotalShape.com, where we dive deeper into fitness strategies that actually work.